I don't know if y'all can see this, but we made it down to Ocean Lakes Campground here in Myrtle Beach for their annual polar plunge. To see all the people we're about to run into way down there.
So this year there were so many participants. There's normally about 1,400. So they decided that they're going to do them in increments of 100 each to keep it safe, and everyone can back down if they want to or back out.
All right, let's count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, there you have it. That was the 22nd annual Ocean Lakes Polar Bear Plunge. And boy, was that fun. While Brian was YouTubing, I was on TikTok. So next year we're gonna get a huge group and we're gonna come on down here and polar plunge in Myrtle Beach, Ocean Lakes. See you next year.
I may not have participated, but look, I went halfway in, so that counts for something.
Nah, man, I was wetter than that. But did you see Santa Claus and the Grinch? They were getting it on out there. And Superman had to come in and save the day.